Welcome back to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad, and today you and me are making Peking duck wraps. So we had duck legs for sale at the Whole Foods. My wife thought that this was super cool, so she picked up a package. So we're going to cook these. I'm going to cook one tonight, and we're going to do this on the grill. So I'm going to get this out of the package, bring it out to the grill, and the camera might shake a little bit while I do that. So it is raining out, which is a real bummer. It means I can't stand outside and shoot. Just put this chicken on the grill, and we're just going to leave that there until it's cooked. We're going to close that up. I don't know exactly how long this will take to cook. I think probably about 20 minutes, but I'll report back once that comes out. Okay, so we've got to chop up our vegetables for this. We've got here a green onion. We're just going to take this and transform it into as long and thin strips as we can. The whole point of this is you're going to put this inside of the Peking duck wrap-up. So it's pretty important these be long, kind of julienne strips. It's good to separate them a bit with your fingers after you've cut them. And we just want these not as long as these are here, which is about 6 inches. So I'm going to actually cut these in half. And that way, when you take a bite and you get one of them, you don't get a 6-inch piece of onion. We've also got here a little bit of broccoli. My kid loves broccoli, not so much a fan of the green onion, so we're going to steam that separately as a side dish. Okay, now because we're going to need a sauce, we're going to mix that up. We're going to add a little bit of vinegar. This is apple cider, but rice vinegar would be a great choice too. Then we're going to add some soy sauce. This is for the salty flavor to complement the sour. And then I'm using some molasses. This is a thick, syrupy kind of sugar addition. You could also use honey. And we're going to mix that up. It's going to thicken a little bit because of the molasses. And then that would be a good sauce. A hoisin sauce that you buy just comes from a bottle. That would be an awesome choice here too. So when this chicken comes off the grill, or comes out of your oven, either way is fine, it's going to look something like this. Because of the high temperatures, it's kind of got this nicely roasted, little bit of a crispy skin on it. And so all we're going to do, through the magic of video editing, is let this cool down, chop it up, slice it into really thin slices, much like this green onion, stack them on the Asian pancake, or tortilla if that's how you're rolling tonight, and add some of this delicious sauce. So here's what this wrap looks like when it is just about done. We're just going to drizzle some of our sauce on. Ooh, that looks good. And now it is time for the best part. We get to try what we have made. That came out pretty good. That is a very smoky grilled duck, and it tastes amazing. That's all for today. If you like this video, I hope you did. Click subscribe if you want to do that. I would really appreciate that. Ring the bell so you get another notification when I make a new video. And tell your friends. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.